Hi there and welcome to TechBlower. This is my current iPad. This is the iPad mini 2nd generation. Yeah, this is quite an old one. It was released in 2013, so it's time for an upgrade. And since you've seen the title of the video, you know what I'm upgrading to. Here in the box we have the iPad Pro M2 version, released in 2022. It's 128 gigabytes in space gray. But let's take a closer look at the box and see what's inside it as well. So let's start by looking at the box. We see this beautiful graphic on the front of the box of the iPad Pro. And on the side here we have the Apple logo, iPad Pro on this side, Apple logo on this side, and of course iPad Pro on the other side. At the bottom we have some information about the iPad. In this case we see that it's an 128 gigabyte model. It's the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. It's the 6th generation, that's the M2 version, and it's the Wi-Fi model. And then we have a lot of other information here, nothing that interests us at this point. So that is all the sides of the box, but the box is not why you came here. It's the insides of the box that you are looking for. So let's turn the box around and open it up. We don't need a knife this time around because we have these nice strips that we can just pull on to open the box. So let's do that. The first one here. And the second one. And then turn the box around again. And let's see what we get when we open it for the first time. See? Come on. Taking its time. The suspense is killing me. Come on. And it opened. Ta-da! We have the iPad, but let's smell the box. Yeah, it's a typical Apple smell. So at the top here, as you can see, it's the iPad Pro right in front of us. So we have a pull tab here to take the iPad out. Whoa, it's quite heavy. So let's take the plastic off. I'm not entirely sure if it's plastic. It might be paper this time around. And we see the iPad for the first time without any wrapping. And this is as clean as the screen gets. You'll see fingerprints later on. So let's put the iPad to the side for a moment. Let's see what we have else in the box. We have designed by Apple in California on the pamphlet. Let's pull that out. What do we get here? We have some instructions how to use the iPad. It has Face ID, Apple Pencil support of course, the 2nd generation one, control center, dock and app switcher, and the smart connector. Just a little short tips on how to use the iPad, and in other languages as well. And of course we get the Apple stickers. They're white, not space gray as the iPad, but that's fine. Let's put this back and never look at this again. Probably. And in the box we also get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yes, this iPad has USB-C. Oh, the cable is braided. Nice. So this cord will probably last longer than most of the lightning cords or other cords from Apple. Nice job, Apple, having a braided cable. Then here we have the power adapter, and it's of course wrapped in paper or plastic. Let's rip that off. And some more plastic down here. That's really simple power adapter. Probably not fast charging, if I remember correctly. But this is a European plug. You might find it strange if you're not from Europe, but this is the plug that we use here. So let's put that to the side, and then the box is empty. So let's remove the box and take a closer look at the iPad Pro. This beautiful screen, 12.9 inches. And I don't know if you can see it. We have all the cameras, the Face ID camera and the front-facing camera on the top there. I can see it in the light here, but I don't know if it's visible in the camera. If we turn it around, we have the charging point and connector for the Apple Pencil. We have the volume down and volume up buttons. The power button on the side here. Nothing specific on this side, probably a microphone. And of course we have the speakers down here, along with the USB-C port. And of course we have a speaker on the top here as well, the dual speaker system. And probably we have two microphones there as well. At the back we have the Apple logo, the smart connector, and the camera module. Looking beautiful. Space gray in aluminum Wi-Fi model. So we can turn it on for the first time. Let's see if we have any power. Yeah, we have. And as you can see, we already have quite a few fingerprints on the screen. So I'll be wiping this screen a lot to keep it clean. So there we have it. Hello from Apple. So this was my unboxing and my first impressions of the M2 iPad 2022. It's a gorgeous device. And I really look forward in using it and see what it can do. So hopefully I can edit videos on this iPad. I've never done that on an iPad before. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on the iPad Pro when I've set it up and used it a little bit. Then I know what I can actually use it for. I really hope you liked this video. I always like these unboxings. I hope you do too. And it would really help my channel if you could click the subscribe button. And add some comments and ask me some questions on the iPad Pro in the comment section below. See you in my next video.